Hey, what's up guys? I'm just going to quickly show you how to change a cabin air filter in a Ford F-150. If you've never done it before, it can just be a little bit tricky, but once you've done it, it's not a big deal. So the first step, open the glove box. Next step is to remove this little tab here. Pop that out. That slider can come in and out. Now you need to push these two stopper knobs so that it can open fully, and there you have it. So your glove box is now dropped down. Then you need to pull out this rubber cover. That will give you access to this screw. I believe they're 7mm, so you can go ahead and remove those. And then that will give you the ability to pull this fitting out here. It's clipped, has some clips on either side and along the bottom here, so you can pull it towards you like so. You can leave the glove box light wire hooked up, just set the cover aside, and there you see that gives you access to the cover for the cabin filter. Just clips off the side. There's the old one. Make note of the airflow direction. Your new one has to go in the same way. And you can see a little bit of dirt in there. Have my new one here ready to go. Slide it in through the top here. There you go. And then just do the assembly directions in the reverse order of the disassembly, and you'll be all set.